Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. My family loves popcorn, and if you're ready to upgrade your movie night as well, you want to check out this awesome, super easy to use air popper from MiKoSoRu. This super easy to use air popper delivers a bowl of fluffy, delicious popcorn every time. There's literally almost no kernels left in there that are half popped. With this little machine, it is as easy as 1, 2, 3. All you have to do is measure your kernels. You can even use the top part with that measuring cup and then pour them in, pop that lid on, and press go. It takes about 3 to 5 minutes, and the popcorn machine starts popping out that delicious air-popped popcorn. I also really like that the top can be used to melt my butter, because who does not love popcorn without butter? The butter comes out fully melted so that you can easily pour onto the popcorn and deliver it to all of your friends and family with delicious butter and salt. This popcorn machine is also super lightweight and it's not super big. So you can easily store it in your cabinet and pull it out every time that your family is ready for the favorite delicious snack that they all love. I think that this popcorn machine makes life so much easier, and I really prefer the taste of it over microwave popcorn. I just feel like it is super delicious and yummy, and it's easy to make. And that's just my point of view.